This is the Files tab. The datasets file browser, empty for now. Data goes in through the Upload button, or by dragging files and whole folders straight onto the page. Files are staged first, listed with their sizes. Nothing is transferred until the upload actually starts. Name collisions get settled up front, keep both, and Pennsieve renames the new one, or replace what is already there. Once it starts, each file reports its own progress. Progress is pushed to the page, so the files appear on their own. There is no need to sit and refresh while you wait. Everything uploaded is automatically virus scanned before it becomes part of the dataset, so there is nothing extra to arrange there. As each file lands, Pennsieve works out what it is. Markdown here, tabular data there, which is what makes it viewable in the browser later on. Dragging a folder onto the page keeps its nesting automatically, all the way down. Creating folders here is the equivalent for files picked one at a time through the dialog. So we add one per subject. Opening the folder and uploading from inside, it puts this session's recording and its notes one level down. Repeating that rebuilds whatever layout the data had on disk. The browser is fine for modest amounts of data. For large datasets, the Pennsieve Agent is the better route. A command-line uploader built for big transfers that can resume where they left off, and scriptable for repeat runs. We cover it in a separate video.